Hey guys, so I have a box from the Goulet Pen Company. This is a pen that I was gonna wait a while to get, but then I saw it was a good bit off. So I went ahead and got it. So let's take a look in here. All I did was take the break the seal. So let's see. All right, and I think I picked up a couple of inks. I'm pretty sure I did while I was here. Ooh, the chocolate one. I really like the chocolate ones. Let's see. So we got a Tootsie Roll Pop. All right, and then let's see. We have a Twsbi. So, I picked up one of the ones that was a glow one, but then they have another one. I think they didn't have. Anyway, I got one that was green, and now I have one that. Oh, let's see. Because I always forget to pull this tape off. And then I have one that is a different color. Purple. I think one of these I got in, the last one I got was in a stub nib, and I tried it, and I do like it. And so, this one, I believe is a fine. Yeah, fine. That is the point I'm most comfortable with. So I went back to my fine. So I tried to see if I was gonna like mediums, because people are always saying how mediums are so smooth. It's not my thing. I like a fine, so I am gonna go ahead and get what I like. All right, maybe later on, maybe I'll grow out of fines. Because I've seen a lot of videos where people say that they liked fines at first and then they grew out of it. So we'll see. We'll see if that happens to me. All right. So that is my Twsbi. And let's see. Let's look at the inks. They had these inks half price. All right. And so we get a sticker. I like these, but I do like the ones that are like an ink blot. But I like those too. And Sandy packed this one. All right. So let's look at the inks. This is a pretty ink. I like the presentation of the bottle and everything. And I like the one that's gold. Oh, and I got it in a Sailor pen. And Sailor, to me, it's not as smooth as it's not as smooth as a Pilot, but it really it tolerates being stood up, and it just, when you uncap it and you write with it, it writes. So okay, so I got two colors. This is the Moonstone. I wanted to try it, and I wanted to try it in I think I was going to try it in the Visconti, but I went ahead and, because I think I didn't know, something I didn't know. Oh, this one right here. I didn't know that is a Mayora. I didn't know that it came with the ink. So anyway, I went ahead and inked it up with what they sent with it, and it is really smooth. Okay, so this one. Ooh, very nice. I know we've all seen the Moonstone one, but okay, I'm not gonna open it apparently. All right. All right, and then I have Star Ruby. And I didn't get these necessarily to go with this, because I don't remember. Oh, I don't remember what color I got that one in. But it's nice, isn't it? It's pretty. It's a pretty red. All right, it looks more burgundy in the bottle. All right, so that's that. I don't think I'll be using these today. But when they were half price, I went ahead and picked them up. And I had already made this order. And so I emailed them and see if they would add on, because I didn't see that these were on sale. And then I went back and I asked them, can they add it? And they did. It was nice. All right, so this is what I call my first real Pelikan. Because I got one that's a rollerball. Well, I got two of them. That's a rollerball. But I really wanted, I wanted to know the difference between them. And so I got the 605. So let's take a look. And this was, it was pretty reduced. Let's see. Okay. All right. And that is a really neat box. This is the kind of box you can't really throw away, can you? Okay. Oh, I like this. All right. And this is the one. Now, there's one that's a little lighter green that I really wanted, but it's still, it's a, some people have it on clearance, but it's not clearance enough. So, but this one was. So I went ahead and picked this up. All right, there's nothing under there. This is cute. All right, and then we'll take a look at the pen. I've seen people do comparisons, but for what this thing costs, it's like, it's surprising to me how small it is. So we got a, it's gonna come with 14 karat gold nib. All right, so let's take a look at it. It's nice, but I'm a little underwhelmed, but it's pretty. It's pretty. And then I'm gonna drop it. All right. Then we got the logo. And we got the clip. Very nice. Let's see. I don't know if you can see around the band. I can recognize that there's something there, but I can't see it. All right. And we will take a look at the nib. Very nice. Okay. Then, let's see. All right. And then all right. And that, I thought this had a little window, but anyway, that is my pen. All right. I think I will probably put the new 2023 ink in here that I got. I just got this the other day. Let's see. Yeah. The 2023 Colorverse. I think that's what I'm gonna put in there. All right. That is all I had to share today, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.